Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. There is an important announcement on what are we going to do next in few videos in this channel. But before that, I really want to switch on the back camera here. The awesome view here, you can see the entire city is actually covered in snow. Other than me, you cannot see even a single person here. It's just entirely me who is walking here. It's a breathtaking view, and I can tell you the depth of the snow which has already poured. It is almost 12 inches. So the announcement that I wanted to make is, what are we going to do in next few days or in next few videos? So my idea, friend, is now that I have learning, it's 2026, very close by, and I really wanted to learn and make you also learn and sail along with me on the first of all Ollama, the LLMs. So we are going to use Ollama, free, downloadable on our local machines, and I'm going to train you on how to use Ollama to create some wonderful stuff. It's going to be really informative, really knowledgeable, but also it will be very basic, fundamental, so even the beginners can follow the same. Even in case you do not know coding, I have created the videos so that you can follow the videos and you can do the coding entirely with Copilot. So yes, we are going to use Copilot, we are going to use Ollama, and we are going to use Visual Studio to create our awesome AI agents. And what next? Yes, so in 2026, there has been a lot of requests for me to create an updated series on Azure Fundamentals, and that's exactly what we will be also starting on Azure Fundamental 2026. So guys, besides this breathtaking view, I will also bring the best of the videos for you to learn LLM, Ollama, Visual Studio Code, Copilot, Microsoft Azure, and a lot more. So we are going to start the 2026 with a bang. Stay with me, subscribe to the channel, and keep learning. That's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay fit, keep learning, and thanks for watching.